Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can correctly open up Wells Fargo bank account online. Yeah, absolutely online. You don't have to visit the branch at all. So for that you will have to open up your browser and then search for Wells Fargo. Then just open up the very first link that you will see in the search results, and this is where it will lead you to. And after that all you have to do is that make sure that you are on personal if you are not on personal already. And after that you will see this, there are different kinds of bank accounts over here. Just select any of them, just hover around your cursor on any of them, whichever you want to see the details for. Suppose I want a checking account, so I will just hover around my cursor over here, and after that I will see all the kinds of information around that particular bank account, type of bank account to be precise. And suppose I want this student banking, so I would just click over here, and this way you would be hovering around on different ones. Like if you want a saving account, you would just go on savings account and select any of them. So let me go on mine. The process is quite similar. Just choose the kind of account that you are looking for. After that just scroll down and you will be able to see the kind of account, and here choose one of them accordingly. So I would want to open up this one, so I would just click on open now. You will also be able to see the details for it, like the requirements for a particular account. Then scroll down, provide all the information about you, like your zip code and all the other information. Then click on continue after providing the details. And here it will redirect you to this page. Here now you have to provide all the other details, like your first name, your last name, taxpayer ID, and also your ID type, what kind of ID that you will be using for opening this account. So these are the options, and all the other information related to your ID, then your phone number, your address, your city, and this way you would be able to provide all your information about you. Then options will be provided to you, and then bank will review your application, and if everything is found to be correct and there is no wrong details, so make sure that while filling this up, you are providing actual details and the correct details. We are humans, we are prone to make mistakes, but make sure that you are not making mistakes, so double check while applying for it. And after all of the process is complete, you will be able to open up your bank account online. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.